Greetings, my people, and a blessed day. Yeah, man, Star Seed is here again. Yeah, Yardy mix up. It's what me I say. Yeah, today is a beautiful day, a wonderful day. Gotta give thanks and praises like every day. So me I say, yeah, man, big up on yourself. Anyway, today we're gonna hit a topic point, seeing about some people. Seeing you can't keep them people around you, none at all. You understand what me I say? None at all you can't keep them people around you. So when me I deal with, here what I go on now. You have some friends or some people, them and enough feed them. Remember me tell you that. You see when them people are come around you, you have to hire security guard. You have to hire security guard. Remember me tell you. Me say you see them people me say them thief till them thief from them own self. Remember me tell you that. Yo, a serious thing. Them and enough for them none at all. Anything them say, gone. Anything them touch, disappear. Remember me tell you that. A serious thing. Yo, me say me know a person saying, she tell me say, boy she have $23 in her pocket. In her purse. Sorry. Saying, and say, oh, somebody go in her purse and take out the $22 and leave $1. Nobody now go thief $22 and leave $1. Them go take the $23. But here what I go on now. You see that same person that will tell me say, oh, our money missing and thing. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. You see she now? You see, let me tell you how she program now. Seeing? Her hand no fear. She's so addicted to thieving that she thief on her own self and probably hide it and can't find it. Remember me tell you that. And that happen. You understand what me I say? Security for surety. Yeah. Them people can't come on my yard. Because if them come on your yard, you know her yard. Your yard disappear. Anything them hand touch gone. Anything them say, disappear. Remember me tell you that. People like them I don't want them around me. Because guess what I go on? A disaster. You understand what I say? You have to keep people away from you. Remember me tell you, them people have to stay to themselves. Or amongst them each other. You understand what I say? Yeah man. A serious crime. Serious thing. No play thing. You understand what I say? So, more time I have to just lick out on them people. Because them things are not right. You can't take up and touch one of you. And guess what I go on? Them take your things, seeing expensive things. Them take your expensive things where you bust your hard working sweat for buy. And then take it and go sell it for nothing. Them take it and go sell it for nothing. Remember me tell you that. Hey, you have some dangerous people on earth, you know. Them will thief for you and turn around and sell you back your own things, you know. Remember me tell you, you know. A real thing, you know, Papa. Anyway, cut off for that, you know. Star Seed once again. I want to big up on yourself here and don't know. I just the vibes and the flow. We just over here for just endorse the thing with enjoyment and just people look upon certain things and just realize and know, say, I saw them things that go. You see me, I say, we just here for just have a lot of fun and bless a place and we all just go in the moments. You understand what I say? It's Star Seed once again. Big up yourself. Blessed.